Welcome to my cooking blog. Today I will invite you to discover the joy of creating a heavenly peach mango pie. I'll be sharing a straightforward recipe that will bring smiles to everyone's faces. In this video, I will share a step-by-step guide in making a delicious peach mango pie from scratch. Just easy instructions that anyone can follow. Here are the ingredients. 2 ripe mangoes. 1 cup sliced peaches. 1 teaspoon cornstarch. 3 tablespoon white sugar. 15 pieces loaf bread. 2 cups breadcrumbs. 3 eggs. And cooking oil for frying. Peel off the ripe mango and slice into small bits. This is the peaches I bought in department store. You can either use fresh, ripe peaches or frozen peaches to make it easier. Measure the sliced peaches in 1 cup. Then slice the peaches into small bits. Slice the brown portion of the bread and separate it. You can still use the brown portion if you like by making it breadcrumbs. After slicing all the brown portion, press the bread by using the rolling pin. Make sure it's nice and flat, so it will be easier to roll. Prepare the cornstarch mix. Add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, then mix it well. After mixing the cornstarch, heat a pan over medium-high heat. Add sliced mango, peaches, sugar, and cornstarch. Stir it well. Adding sugar will enhance the sweetness of the fruit. By adding cornstarch, this will create the sticky consistency for our filling. Bring to a boil and lower heat to simmer for about 5 minutes or until thickened and slightly reduced. This is the consistency that I want. Remove from heat. Set it aside and let it cool at room temperature. Beat 3 eggs. Eggs will help seal your hand pie and adds a golden brown. Pour 1 cup breadcrumbs. Breadcrumbs helps your hand pie more crispy. Scoop and place half of the tablespoon of peach mango pie filling into the center on the flattened bread. Fold in half, press, and seal using fork. Make sure to press slowly the fork when pressing the bread. Repeat the process to all the flattened bread. Dip and beat in eggs until evenly coated. And then roll in breadcrumbs. Repeat the process to all hand pies, and then set aside. In a pan, heat up 1½ cup of oil over medium heat. Deep fry the pie until all sides are crispy and golden brown. Make sure not to burn the pie. Remove from oil and drain on paper towels. I hope you enjoy making and savoring this peach mango pie. Thank you once again for being here, and see you in the next video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications, so you never miss a video.